Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to upload a JSON file to Firebase. First, ensure you have a Firebase project set up in the console. Next, install the Firebase command line interface, or CLI, globally on your system using npm. After installation, log into the CLI using your Google account. Finally, initialize your project by running Firebase init in your project directory, selecting the database option. Before uploading, it's crucial to prepare your JSON data correctly. Verify that your JSON file is valid and free of syntax errors. Think about how your data will be structured within the Firebase real-time database for optimal performance. Consider nesting your data appropriately to facilitate efficient queries later on. Also, try to keep your file size manageable for smoother uploads. Now, let's upload your JSON file using the Firebase CLI. The Firebase database set command is perfect for this. You'll need to specify the local path to your JSON file and the target path within your Firebase real-time database where the data should reside. For example, Firebase database set /data mydata, JSON. After executing the command, confirm the upload in your terminal to ensure it completes successfully. After the upload process, it's essential to verify that your data has been successfully added to Firebase. Head over to the Firebase console in your web browser. Select your specific project and then navigate to the real-time database section. Here, you can browse through the data structure to confirm that your JSON content has been uploaded correctly. Also, check for any unexpected formatting or errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.